hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a special off-road Jeep. So let's check more about this Jeep. Before taking delivery, let's meet the customers. So let's take delivery of the brand new Mercedes-Benz AMG G-65. So the car's on the road. This is the diecast car model. Let's test the comfort of this car by driving. Before that, this car has two openable front doors. And it is so special because it's a full-size door, unlike other toy cars. This has a well-detailed dashboard and steering, and also a good interior. This is a pullback action toy car. So if you like the video, please click on the like button. Share my videos. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please use the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell button to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye. Please support my channel.